Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering down the iPad and laying it face up on a soft, stable surface so you don't scratch the display. You'll use a fingernail or a thin plastic pick at a corner. The goal is to lift just enough adhesive without bending the screen. Once you find a corner gap, slip a plastic card about 1/3 in to hold separation. You do this to concentrate force, reducing chance of cracking the glass, slow, steady pressure rather than forceful prying. Now you slide the card along the edge while lifting the corner a little at a time. This detaches adhesive evenly and prevents sudden pull that could fracture the glass. You keep the card low, parallel to the screen, and work along one side in small increments. If the protector resists, lightly warm the edge with your palm or a hairdryer at low for 10-15 seconds to soften adhesive. Make sure to move heat and avoid concentrating it on one spot. Finish by peeling the protector across to the opposite corner in a steady motion. Keep the angle shallow so the adhesive separates cleanly. Once removed, wipe any residue with 70% isopropyl on a microfiber cloth, using circular motions to avoid streaks. If the protector shatters, do not press on glass. Use strong tape to lift shards or a small suction cup to remove large pieces safely. And double-check the display for dust before applying a new protector to ensure a clean install.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.